So the next option that we are going to see is the tool menu. Okay, you can see here tools. So we will look into the tools options. So after clicking on the tool, we can see some sub options here. Understood? So the first one, so you can see there are some set of tools here. So the first tool that we are going to learn is the splitter. Okay, so the first tool that we are going to see is the splitter. So what basically the splitter does? The splitter just opens two applications. Okay, the splitter, what it does, it opens two applications or up to 4 applications on the entire screen. For example, consider this as the entire screen. With the help of the splitter, what we can do, we can open 2 applications at the same time, or at the most 4 applications at the same time. So let's see with an example. Okay, what we have to do, go to tools, then click on splitter. Now you can see what happened. The sense board has minimized to a smaller screen, right? So this screen is free. Now what we can do, we can open a file in this side. Okay, so you can see 3 options here. This is to increase or decrease the size of the sense board, and the middle one is swapping the screen. So now you have seen that I have swapped the sides. That means the sense board has come to this side. Now you can open another application. For example, I have opened the PDF file. Now you can see I have opened the PDF file. So what we have to do next, now you can see here a top bar. Okay, on the top side you can see this is the PDF file name. On the similar way you can see minimize, maximize and close button. So you have to look on that bar, tap on that bar and drag the PDF file into the middle of the board. Now you have seen a shadow. Okay, release your hand. Now you can see the split screen function. Okay, so the PDF has opened in this side. In the similar way, the sense board has opened here. Okay, now what we can do, now you can see here the PDF file has been opened in this side, the sense board has been opened in this side, and now you can annotate and teach the students in both the screens. Okay, in the similar way, if I want to open a PPT file, what we have to do? Okay, in the similar way, tap on the top bar and slide it down into the end. Now you can see a small shadow has come. Release your finger. Now you can see sense board in this side, PDF file. Now you have to open the PPT file. If I want to open the PPT file, now you can see I have opened the PPT file. Similar way, drag from the top, move it to the top end. Now what you can see the PDF file, PPT file and also the sense board. So this is the function of the splitter. So splitter means, as you have seen, simultaneously we can open 2 or 3 applications at the same time on this entire screen. Okay. The next tool that we are going to learn is the magnifier. Okay, the second tool is the magnifier tool. So what the magnifier tool does? Okay, it will magnify a content that is present on the board for you. You can see that statement, the magnifier that I have written, it will zoom that content for you or magnify that content for you. The third option, we'll go to the third option, which is the timer. Okay, so the third option is the timer option. So what the timer does is that if I am conducting a 1 hour exam, okay, so I can set the time to 1 hour. Click on the settings, you can see the settings, click on that. Okay, I am setting the time to 1 hour and 1 minute, or you can see for example I have taken the time to 1 hour. Okay, now what we have to do, click on play. So what it will do, it will run the timer. So if I am conducting an exam, okay, I can show it to the students that this is the timer. I have given a 1 hour time for you, so that the students can look into the timer and they can adjust the exam timing. Okay, and at the end, for example, when the timer reaches to 10 seconds, it will ring the bell so that the students can identify that the exam is going to finish. So this is the timer option. The next tool that we are going to see is the screen wrap. Okay, from the tool we can see the fourth option, that is the screen wrap. Okay, what the screen wrap basically does is that if I am having a content with me, for example, in the first period, okay, I am going to conduct an exam. Okay, in the first period I am going to conduct an exam. So I am having a question paper with me, the PDF file of the question paper with me, and the students have not entered the class. Before the students enter the class, what I can do? I can insert the question paper onto the board. Okay, let's see with an example. Okay, I will just show you an example with the help of the insert tool. Okay, if I am having a PDF question paper with me, what I can do? I can open a PDF file. Now you can see I have opened a question paper. Okay, so now consider that the students have not reached the class. What I can do? I can insert a question paper. So you can see I have inserted a sample question paper. So with the help of the, okay, go to the tools, with the help of the screen wrap. After tapping on screen wrap, now what you can see that the question paper has been hidden with the help of a wallpaper. So just consider the students have reached the class and they are ready for the exam. Just what you have to do? Just you have to close this and now you can see the question paper. Okay, so what basically the screen wrap does? Okay, the screen wrap just wraps the entire screen with the help of a wallpaper, so that what all contents have been written on the board, it is been hidden. The next tool that we are going to see is the screenshot option. Okay, so the next option, that is the fifth option, is the screenshot. Okay, so what the screenshot does? Okay, in the desktop mode. Okay, that means the screenshot, we have already seen that option in the desktop mode. Just we'll look into it. So for example, we are having the desktop here. Click on the desktop. Now you can see the screenshot option here. Okay, so the same option is available in the tools also. This is the screenshot. You can see the three different options in the screenshot. Full screen means it will take the entire screen. Rectangular means a particular portion. Okay, if I need this particular screenshot, this particular portion, if I need, click on rectangle and I can select that particular portion, then click on tab, and now you can see I have taken that particular portion of the screenshot. Third one is the freehand. You can draw the outline of any desired content. For example, if I am drawing an outline like this, okay, now you can see that I have selected that content. Okay, so similarly what I can do with the help of the screenshot, I can take the screenshot of any content that is been already in the sense board. So what is the difference between the screenshot that is available in the sense board and also in the desktop mode? In the desktop mode we are having a screenshot. That means from the outside source I can take the pictures or any regarding content onto the sense board. Okay, and from the tools there is a screenshot option here. What it does, it will take the contents from the sense board itself. Okay, if any picture or anything that I have inserted, I want that particular portion, what I can do with the help of the screenshot that is present in the tools, I can take the screenshot of the content that is present in the sense board itself. Okay.